Welcome back to the Analogue Archive. My name is Cody, and today we're going to be talking about the Nikon FE. Now, the FE is a classic camera made by Nikon, a nice little SLR that's easy to use and rather quick. Now, I've owned this Nikon FE for a long time now. I've had it for about 6 to 7 years, in fact, and it's still going strong. The one thing I'll really commend for this camera is its sturdiness. I took it to a lot of places going out when I was young, doing a lot of things like photography for bands and clubs and pubs and whatnot. A couple of times there where I've dropped it on its head a bit, but it still keeps going. You can actually see on the lens here, there's a couple of dents from some of those nights. Now I have an f2.8 35mm lens on the front there, which has been really great for things like the band photography that I mentioned earlier, but also doing things like street photography. Now, I've got fond memories of this camera. I've used it quite a lot over the years. In fact, I used it primarily when I did my last exhibition back in 2014. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality of the camera. Like I said earlier, it's sturdy. You could drive a nail with it if you really wanted to. Wouldn't recommend that, though. Either way, it's still a sturdy camera. It's lasted the test of time, and it's easy to use. It's incredibly fast. This camera is simple to use, which I'm always a big advocate for. I love simple cameras. I like to just focus on my subject and actually taking the photo. So this camera being aperture priority as well has really helped a lot of the times where I wanted to take a quick photo. Overall, I really love my Nikon FE. I've used it many, many times over the years, and I keep coming back to it as a great little cornerstone for my work. So you guys tell me in the comments, do you like your Nikon FE? Are you thinking about getting a Nikon FE? I'd love to hear what you guys say, and I'll talk to you guys in the comments. Thanks for coming. Happy snapping, and I'll see you guys later. Ciao.